Global deforestation is happening at an alarming rate. Every year, more than 10 million hectares of forest, an area the size of Iceland, are lost to land uses like agriculture or urbanization. This deforestation means a loss of the services forests provide, from climate regulation to clean water, clean air and biodiverse habitats to timber and recreation. The UK Centre for Ecology and Hydrology is working with partners and communities around the world to tackle the challenges facing forests so they can be protected for social, economic and environmental benefits. Regenerating degraded tropical forests can help mitigate climate change and restore services such as water cycling and biodiversity habitats. Forest recovery is also important for local livelihoods and sustainable development goals. We lead an international network of researchers developing evidence and exchanging best practice on tropical forest restoration in tropical and subtropical Asia. Our insights into tree survival rates at sites across the region will support forest restoration in the future, emphasizing the importance of tailoring actions to local conditions. In Ecuador, we are collaborating with local and international partners to improve understanding of Andean tropical mountain forests and how these biodiverse landscapes can be conserved and restored for the benefit of local communities as well as nature. This work addresses critical knowledge gaps around reforestation, active restoration approaches, and natural regeneration practices, developing best practice for forestry managers and conservationists around the world. And through training courses and field visits, knowledge and skills are being shared with a new generation of scientists. The UK Centre for Ecology and Hydrology, working with international partners on innovative solutions to global and regional environmental challenges.